just get to the ramp. Look at this.
Well, that's the second quick release. That's okay.
Morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Dan here from Headwaters Kayak, and we are hanging out in a little town called Chiloquin, Oregon, on the Williamson River, and we're going to be doing some trout fishing with my man Dean Lim. I got Colby out here. He flew all the way out from North Carolina to come help us film and kind of document the trip. I'll be doing a little behind the scenes here, just taking you guys along. Hopefully we catch some fish. I'm sure we're going to. Dean already hooked up with 3 from the ramp this morning. So everything looks good for an epic day. Look forward to bringing you guys along. So just for a little bit of context, Colby and I have been doing a multi-day trip all through Oregon, fishing different waters. We had just left Florence, Oregon the day before, arrived in Klamath Falls, and then hooked up with Dean Lim, and he immediately started fishing. Looks like Dean's hooked up over here.
Fish.
Nice, man.
So that's when they're cleaned up, like I was telling you. See that scar above the fin and those 2 on the belly right there with my finger? Those are those lamprey scars. So.
First fish of the day here, beauty. Look at that guy. Dean's hooked up with one too. Good times out here on the Williamson. Dean's hooked up to another. I think this is 5 fish on his morning. Wizard. Behind the scenes for you guys.
Please.
Filming you, filming me, filming Dean. It's kind of cool though to show people behind the scenes what's going on in a video shoot, you know? A lot of times you guys don't get to see this. You just see the finished product when Dean's holding majestic trout on the Feel Free catalog cover.
Yeah. No big deal. No big deal. The fish is the star of the show. Come here, little fella. It ain't a show if it ain't a fish flop or 2, huh?
So the kayaks we were using for this trip were Moken 12.5s. They were the perfect boat for running the rapids, standing up when we needed to stand and sight fish, and also easy to hop in and out of when we found a good spot like this where we wanted to wade. Oh, that thing's beastly.
I'll walk him into you. I can. You want to? Alright, scoop.
Yes.
There you go. That's a good
Yeah,
fish.
buddy.
Yeah, that's like a 27-inch fish.
Wow. Damn, dude. That's beauty. Let this guy get back in the water, get to swimming here. Hell yeah, Dean. Yeah, that was sick. One thing that impressed me about the Williamson River was just how clean the water was. But not only was it clean, it was full of life. There was tons of vegetation, there was tons of insects, there was tons of crawfish, and definitely a ton of trout, as you can see. Colby, send it. Yeah, buddy, you got it. So I think it's safe to say the Big Fish 103, although it can be rivers, the Moken's a way better tool for the job. Pedal drive, spin, and fly water.
See that?
That was beauty.
From my whitewater days, that's freestyle right there. I never had whitewater days, but
You're having them now, Colby.
I'm having them now. Does she turn on a dime around the rocks in the current? Maybe not so much, but
30-year mortgage.
But the gear's dry.
But I am dry and safe.
And more importantly, the camera's safe.
Exactly. Much more importantly. We're both insured, but
We quickly learned that the big fish was not very well cut out for this kind of river fishing. It was just so wide and so deep that it drug on the bottom in places where the Moken would just slide right over the top. And there wasn't enough deep sections for Colby to really take advantage of the pedal drive. The benefit was he was definitely stable, his gear stayed dry, but he struggled. So funny, it's like, I need to put the camera away and do what you guys are doing for a minute. I got enough footage. First cast. Yeah, buddy.
Yep.
So you decided to put the camera down, Colby.
About time.
That was worth it.
Put the camera down. First cast, first twitch, first fish. So
Not bad.
I'll take it.
That's a good looking fish. Congratulations.
Okay. Beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah. See that big lamprey mark on his, like, middle of his body right there?
Yeah,
It's crazy.
it is crazy.
Nice, dude. Look at that.
That's a real good fish.
Right, camera guy for the win. He murdered that one.
Smashed it, huh? I love those bites. Sometimes they freak you out, though, because you think the fish is bigger than it is.
Yeah.
It's always fun.
Woo! Look at that fish. So stoked. He had pulled me all the way into those trees and I was able to somehow get him out. What a beautiful, beautiful fish. Look at that beauty. 27 inches.
Good.
All right, Dean, what are your top 3 highlights from today?
You guys catching fish. Me giving old guys a hard time in the boat dock. And just having a beautiful morning.
Doesn't get much better, my friend. Thanks for putting us on all these beautiful fish. Colby with another one in the big fish. Now we're in frog water, so he's got the right tool for the job. He muscled that thing down all those rapids, but now he's making it look easy. Nice. Well, that's it. That's the end of the line for us. Highway 97, time to get out. What a trip, man. Such a cool spot. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an episode. Next week, we'll be hitting up Klamath Lake for more Redband trout with Dean and friends. Until next time, this is Dan wishing you happy paddling. We'll see you on the next one.